Okay, I need to apologize in advance if you hear sawing, hammering, you name it in the background of this video. I'm gonna do my very best to edit it out, so hopefully you can't hear it. But if you can, we are having some work done to our house, some fixes that need to be done, and they are like right out this window over my left shoulder. So I managed to set up the camera that hopefully you won't see out the window and see a random man walking by, although that could make for a good video. But anyway, if you hear a little background noise that sounds different, that is what it is. So there's nothing I can do about that. So hopefully it won't be too distracting, because I'm here to talk about my summer FabFitFun box. Between a different subscription box I get from my kids, like I don't get any other subscription boxes than these FabFitFuns. There's really nothing like them. I've been partnered with them for years now. It is a great box. And yeah, it's the only thing I get seasonally that is really worth it. It really, really is. If you don't know anything about FabFitFun, it is a 4 times a year seasonal subscription box. It has full-size beauty, fitness, lifestyle, you name it, like a variety of full-size products inside. Like, this is the box. It's always really hefty. It's none of these small mailer subscriptions. You get a big box to get you ready for the season ahead. So if you haven't explored FabFitFun yet and you want to try a box for yourself, you can use my code, which you can find right below this video, to get $10 off your first box. I have partnered with FabFitFun for this video. I genuinely love these. Not only are they fun for me to open and keep for myself, but they're also a great gift. Like, what a great gift for such a great price too. The value's over like $200 in almost every box, and they're $49.99. So you really can't go wrong. But I'm dying to get into this. The pattern is so cute on this one, and I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. We've moved to hammering now. Hopefully I can edit that out. So always on top is a little magazine, and this usually has info about what's in the box, but I always set this aside right away so I can just experience the products themselves, because I have no clue what's in here. So first thing, this is a HelloFresh $80 gift card. That's good. I've done HelloFresh before. It's great. Those are those meal delivery services. And then, oh, here is another promo code as well. So you would get that in your box too. I'm gonna rip into this tissue paper. Oh, ooh, okay. First thing I'm seeing, because I know this brand and I know this packaging well. This is a Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. This is a great time of year to be trying a product like this. If you have frizzy hair, if your hair is curly or straight, a styling cream will help combat frizz. This is from their Frizz line, or No Frizz. I use the Frizz Serum from Living Proof every day. And I've actually truly been wanting to try the style cream. I may have tried it a long time ago, but it's been a while. So I'm excited to have this. It stops frizz and lightly conditions. So I think it'll be really lightweight in the hair and not feel like a really greasy, heavy, waxy cream. So that's great. Another smaller product I'm seeing here is, oh, a Brightening Purple Clay Mask by Generation Clay. So clay masks are usually used to cleanse the skin, like get deep into pores, but I'm curious to see the word brightening here. Usually you don't see brightening, you see like detoxifying with clay masks. Yeah, it'll brighten, illuminate, nurture, and refine. I love a mask. That is like my go-to thing for self-care, so that is great. I'm excited to try that. I haven't heard of that line before. Okay, another product here is a Refining Micro Polish. This is an exfoliator. Let's see here. Yeah, super fine treatment, sweeps away dull surfaces. Great. Oh, I can't smell it. It's got the foil thing on top. But an exfoliator is also a great thing to use year-round, but especially coming out of winter, if you have dry skin and you just layered on like deeply moisturizing products, it might be time to like slough off that top layer of skin, like the really dry patches, to reveal your new skin. Great, I'm excited to try that. Okay, another product I'm seeing here, this is all wrapped up, so I gotta get into this. This is a rose spray. Oh, it's a face spray. I also love face mist. There's not many skincare products that I don't love. I've always been like just super interested in it. In fact, I went to beauty school in high school, but I was so interested in the skincare line of thing, or end of things, that I thought about going to aesthetic school on top of that. Now beauty school kind of encompasses hair, skin, and nails, so I could have worked as an esthetician if I wanted to. but I feel like I didn't know enough. I ended up not going, but I've always loved skincare. All right, let me get into this. Hang on. All right, this is the Spray All Day Rose Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. These are great for summertime. I use a face spray year round, either as just like a burst to wake myself up in the morning. I'll usually use a face spray before I go to the gym, to set my makeup, to prep my skin before I put makeup on, or if it's like 4 o'clock and my husband's like, let's go out tonight, and I don't want to put on more makeup, but I want to just liven things up a little bit on my face after a long day, I'll just use a facial spray. So I'm sure this smells fantastic, and it's really pretty. If you haven't used these Invisibobble hair ties yet, people, especially with thick hair, love these. If you're as old as me, you may remember the phone cords that looked like this from your phone that was on your wall in your house, because cell phones weren't invented when I was coming up. Actually, the bag phone was around, but these are great for holding your hair. They kind of have a silicone, rubbery feel, but it's smooth, so it's not going to yank your hair, but it'll hold it tight. But it won't crease because it's already spiraled. It's not going to press too firm on the ponytail part that you're holding, so these shouldn't crease your hair very bad. I've used these to do like a messy bun on top of my head, and they're great for that. They're great for a regular ponytail, but also great for a messy bun, because I don't know, it's like the way it holds the hair is different because it's a spiral, so you get like a nice volumized messy bun with it. So those are always good to have for summer too. Okay, I think this is my last skincare product that I'm getting to. Oh, this is an exfoliating foot mask. I love these things. My feet are the most neglected part of my body as far as body care goes. Let me see how this works. This is by Wish. How do you use it? Ideally at bedtime. Apply liberally to desired area, let dry, go to bed, wake up with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. I've never tried anything like this. I'm gonna try this tonight. Cool, I wonder if you need to wear socks with it. I need to explore this a little bit more, but this sounds great. I really don't like the feeling of like a pumice stone or like a foot file. It just gives me the willies. So if a product like this could do that for me and I don't have to rub on my feet, that could be good. Here is a towel. This is by Vicks Paula Hermani, not sure. But this is just a regular towel. You could use it as a bath towel or a pool towel. In this container is, oh, this is fun. This is silicone wine glasses. Also perfect if you're poolside. Let me show you these. Oh, those are cute. Well, that's the top of a wine glass and it won't break. That's kind of fun to have. It'd be fun when I have a girlfriend over and in the evening, sit on the porch, maybe sit by the water, have a glass of wine and not worry about breaking glass. The last thing I'm getting to here is by Exo Sienna. Oh, it's a letterboard. Oh, that's fun. All right, so these are all the letters and then here's the board. That's cute. I have a chalkboard that I use and I just write like, come to the back, we're in the pool, when we've invited friends over to swim in the summertime. But I will certainly replace that chalkboard with this felt board. And I'm even seeing the letters that come with this. I have emojis as well. So I could put a little emoji smiley face in there or something. So all you do with these is just pop them in. So you can write your message and then add little emojis on there. That's really cute. So that was my summer FabFitFun box. In fact, the last summer box I got, I believe it was last summer or 2 summers ago, I got a bath towel in it as well and I still use it. So I'm excited to have another one of those, and gosh, so much skincare, which is right up my alley. So again, if you have not tried FabFitFun and you want to check it out, use my promo code to get $10 off your first box. You can find that code and the link to check it out right below this video.